Welcome children. In the last class we studied about types of lines, that is we studied about straight line and curved line. Today we are going to study about the plane figures or 2D shapes. So what do you mean by plane figures? Plane figures means figures which can be drawn on the surface of a paper are called plane figures. Okay, so today we will study about some plane figures. We have already studied this in the first standard. Okay, so children look here, these are some plane figures. First one is triangle. This is the shape of a triangle. Look here children, this is a triangle. So let's see how many sides and corners are there for a triangle. So we have studied this last year. So let's see for the sides first. This is first side, second side and third side. So how many sides for a triangle? A triangle is having 3 sides. Now let's see how many corners are there for a triangle. This is one corner, second corner, third corner. So how many corners for a triangle? Triangle is having 3 corners. So a triangle is having 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay. Now next we are going to study about rectangle. This is the shape of a rectangle. So this is a rectangle. Let's see how many sides and corners are there for a rectangle. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many sides for a rectangle? There are 4 sides. Now let's see how many corners. This is first corner, second, third, fourth. So how many corners for a rectangle? Rectangle is having 4 corners. So a rectangle is having 4 sides and 4 corners. Look here children, what about the opposite sides of a rectangle? Look, this opposite side of this is this. So these sides are equal. What about this side? These are also equal. So a rectangle has opposite sides equal. That is, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Now next is square. This is the shape of a square. Look here children, this is a square. How many sides are there for a square? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 sides for a square. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? 4 corners. So there are 4 sides and 4 corners for a square. And look here children, look, all the sides, are they equal? So for a square, all the sides are equal. So for square, all the sides are equal. Now look into the next shape. What is this shape called? This is a circle. Look into the picture. Look here, this is a circle. This is a closed curve. What do you mean by closed curve? Closed curve means the starting point and ending point are same. Okay. Starting point and ending point will meet. Okay. Now, is there any sides and corners for a circle? There are no sides and no corners for a circle. In the case of oval also, oval is also a closed curve. Is there any sides and corners for an oval shape? No, there are no sides and no corners for oval shape. Okay. Now look here children. Let's read the name of the shape. Triangle. What is it called? Triangle. This is the figure of a triangle. How many corners are there for a triangle? There are 3 corners for a triangle. And how many sides? 3 sides for a triangle. Now rectangle. This is what is the spelling of rectangle? R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. This is the figure of the rectangle. How many corners for a rectangle? 4 corners. And how many sides? 4 sides. Okay. Now what is the next figure? Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. This is the figure of the square. How many corners for a square? 4. And sides also 4. Next is C-I-R-C-L-E. What is it? Circle. This is the figure of the circle. Is there any corners for circle? No. So, 0 corners. And what about sides? 0 sides. Now, oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. This is a figure of oval. How many corners? 0 corners and 0 sides. So, did you all understand? Okay. Now, we will do an exercise. Color according to the given instruction. You can see a picture here. According to the given instruction, you have to color. Look here. What color? This is rectangle. For rectangle, you have to give red color. Square, you have to give blue color. Triangle, you have to give green color. Circle, you have to give yellow color. And oval, you have to give pink color. So, let's do. So, first, we have to find out the rectangle shapes. This is one rectangle and this is another rectangle. And what color you have to give for rectangle? You have to give red color to the rectangle. So, this is one rectangle. I am giving red color to the rectangle. Okay. This is another rectangle. I am giving red color to the rectangle. Okay. Now, what is the next instruction? Square, you have to give blue color. Which are the squares? This is a square and this is another square. We have to give blue color to the square. So, this square is getting blue color. This also blue color. So, square is getting blue color. Next is triangle. What color? Green you have to give. Which are the triangles? This is one triangle, this is another triangle and this is another triangle. So, there are 3 triangles and you have to give green color to the triangles. Okay, children? This first triangle, second triangle, green color, third triangle also green color. So, I have given green color to the triangles. Now, next is circle yellow. You have to give yellow color to the circle. This is a circle. So, which color you have to give? Yellow. So, circle I have given yellow color. Next is oval. Oval, which color I have to give? Pink. So, oval I have given pink color. So, this type of question is there in your worksheet also. You have to color neatly in your worksheet. Okay. So, study the shapes as well as you color in the worksheet. Okay. That's all for today's class. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.